Greetings, class. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to provide you with a broad overview of the course calendar. As I discussed in the course overview video, there are modules for each week in this course. The respective dates for each module are listed on the calendar, as well as the course objectives for that module, the relevant readings, and how your competence will be demonstrated. Now, most typically, our modules will run from Sunday at 12:01 a.m. Through Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Of course, this first week, we do not start until Monday, so our module for one will be a little bit short and will run June 5th through June 10th. Now, please note on those weeks that we do have discussion. Most typically, I would like to see your response to the discussion prompt prior to Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. However, this first week, since we start a little bit late, we're starting on a Monday, I did go ahead and list that I would like to see your prompt on or before Thursday at 11:59 p.m. You will be required to respond to two peers' postings, and those should always occur by the end of the week, Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Now, please note there are a couple of weeks where the modules do run over 2 weeks, for example, Module 4. But you will see that most typically when we do have a module that runs over 2 weeks, that there is only a discussion board for one of those weeks. So when we look at Module 4, there will be an online discussion June 25th through July 1st. However, there is no online discussion July 2nd through the 8th. But there is time then to complete your assignment, which is due July 2nd. That is your Learning Theory Application assignment. Please note your personal philosophy of nursing education is then due July 8th. When we look at Module 5 also runs over 2 weeks. And that's first week we have discussion, but there is no discussion that second week to give you time to prepare for your presentation. Please note that our course does end on Friday, July 28th at 5 p.m. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so much.